What's going on, man? Joe, Chris, how's life treat you today?
Very well, actually.
Pretty good band, huh?
Until it placed me next to it, you know. What are you going to do? Take the good with the bad.
Take the good with the bad.
I know for myself, when we play, it's a party up there. So don't we want the audience to have that same
Good
party?
afternoon.
There's trouble.
Right behind you. Yes, you're absolutely right. Hi, Bruce.
Oh my goodness. Hi.
He's Louise. Good. You look fantastic.
I'm trying to get on the boat and do the right thing, you know?
Get on the boat. What boat?
Oh, not that boat.
Not that boat. Any boat that'll float.
Oh, this is the big chair. Oh, okay.
That's right.
Come back.
He's on the stage now. Setting up his drums.
I found what?
You found what?
One more night, one more show, then I gotta go. This sweet little mama comes up to me. She looks so good. All I know, I'm begging please. She says, baby, I'm on my knees. She says, now, ooh, la, la. She says, ooh, ah, all right. Ooh, ah, all right. That's it, baby. Ooh, ah, all right. Ooh, ah, all right. Come on.
Which we were just talking about.
Yeah, we'll get that set up.
Well, I'm sure she wants at least to hear us. Have you caught a show yet?
Sorry?
Have you caught it on YouTube? Bruce's Green Room. Inside about the background of everybody in the band. It's really interesting.
Do you have a cart?
No.
I thought that's what you were reaching for, was a cart for it.
No, it's really
No gun.
something much more important.
What's that?
Much more important.
That wind's blowing pretty hard.
Is that for your microphone?
No, no, it makes me look larger on stage.
Shut up.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's a microphone condom.
Sorry.
That's what I call it.
Then have you guys play on Sunday?
Yeah, if you would play on Sunday, I already told David, so I know it's a few months away, but
I'll lock you guys in before the end of the year if I do.
yeah.
Fabulous. I look forward to it.
And he's your deli guy.
Awesome.
Hey, no, that's a good thing.
It's a good,
I don't know if
3 years now?
So it's about 3 years ago, David told me that he got a horn player, and I went to see him, and I go, I'm looking at him going, God, that guy looks familiar.
You know my ID?
He's my deli guy.
Perfect. Perfect.
That's a good thing. How about you, Joe? What do you do?
So I'm kind of a plumber. They made me into a plumber.
You got crack nut or what?
What's that?
I'm kidding.
Yeah.
You got crack
Maybe
nut?
that's a night band. We don't know.
I got it.
Well, one more time around the bend, here she wants to come again. Says, baby, I'm tired of working, man. So tired. What she wants in begging, please. Says, baby, I'm on my knees. She says, now, ooh, la, la. Let's hear you now. She says, ooh, ah, all right. That's it, baby. Ooh, ah, all right. I can see you thinking it. Ooh, ah, all right. Get your finger out of there. Ooh, ah, all right. You know what I'm talking about now. Ooh, ah, all right. That's it, baby. That's it. Ooh, ah, all right. Oh, say it slower. Ooh, ah, all right. Oh, baby, now. Ooh, ah, all right. Now with the band. Ooh, ah, all right. Ooh, ah, all right. Ooh, ah, all right. Ooh, ah, all right.
I like the way she smiles, the way she says, baby, you should come home with me. Them long, long legs, warm heart, thin lips and cold feet. She turned me on like morning coffee. Is it all a dream? Or did she put a spell on me? She drives me wild. I love her style, the way she dances when she comes towards me like a child. Cuckoo crazy, she be driving me. I just can't stop thinking about her, though we're miles away. She smiles in her sleep. I smell her perfume in the air. She likes to cuddle all night. I feel my cold heart beat alive. But what am I to do when everything seems alright now? Though I'm gonna find she drives me wild. I love her style, the way she dances when she comes towards me like a child. And cuckoo crazy, she be driving me. I just can't stop thinking about her, though we're miles away. I feel like a child when I hear your name. I turn and look around, but you're not there. Miles away. Well, I just can't stop. We keep on talking, though we're miles away. I like the way she smiles when she says, baby, I got something in the basement for you. Pin, pal, knives to tell me, baby, I'm just thinking about you. We're miles away, miles away.
I still don't understand how a $230 ticket, plead guilty, send in $230, goes from that to $2,000 or 6 months in jail.
Judge is trying to pay off his course, right?
I shouldn't have signed the ticket, probably, right at the get-go. You know, when the Little Humane Society girl came with a fucking official ticket that was written up wrong. I shouldn't have signed that. You know, all right, bring a cop and take me away now. You know, let's get this cleared up and get it written out right. You know, wrong address. Misspelled, provoked. Come on.
No, I'd do that if you give me a grant.
Once again, then you and I are sitting in a cell together.
I don't know if I need that much.
I think I think
I don't think I need to be punished that much.
Well, are you German or Spanish or Italian or French?
Russian, Swedish.
Earthling.
Russian. Russian. They got a reputation for. Oh, do you drink vodka?
I pretty much would drink
Say
it.
yes. I think we got a case. Come see me at my office first thing in the morning. Took me a minute to put that together.